Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick little demo about setting up Golang on my Mac and one extension in VS Code, and then I'm going to show you how that is useful to do Golang coding. I'm trying to learn and get better at writing Golang code for DevOps purposes. So I'm just going to take you into that journey. So first of all, we need to install Golang on my Mac. So let's get a new terminal. Let's go to Bash window. Now, I already have it installed, so it's not going to do anything, but the command is very simple. It's brew install go. And because it's already installed, it's not going to do anything, so all done. So now that I've done that, what I'm going to do is I'm here in VS Code. What I need to do is I need to install the right extension for Golang so that when I do write Golang code, it's much easier so you can get IntelliSense and all that, right? So go to extension, type in Go, and you will see there's like a ton of these things, but one stands out. This guy is from Google, and that extension has 13 million stars. So I'm going to go ahead and install that, and it is installed. So now we can open a folder to start writing our Golang code. Open folder. Okay, we were going to go into repos, local folder, and then let's see, repos, and this is my local copy of my repo that I have online on GitHub called public repo in GCP Playground. But I don't want that. I want this guy. So we can open that one. And I already have a whole bunch of code that I wrote maybe a year ago or so, something like that, a year and a half ago, while I was learning Go in general through lead code and whatnot. But so my point, first of all, I want to show you something that already exists and get a feel for that. So here's the hello world Go code, right? But more importantly, what I really want to do is I want to start over and start writing code and show you how this extension helps me write that code. Okay, so what directory am I? I am, oh, I'm there. Okay, cool. So now I can make a directory called YouTube live demo. I'm going to go into that. And now the folder is empty. So I'm going to go into that folder here. And I wonder if I can open a file. Yeah, new file. So there's my new file in that folder. Let's give it a name called demo.go. So now I have an empty file. So now it's going to help me write the code. So first of all, I need to Golang always starts with package. So I'm going to say package, and I'm just going to do it's giving me different choices based on where I am, which is fantastic, right? So why not call it YouTube demo? And then typically you import a package or two. Let's say it's FMT. I'm going to make a mistake here and see if it catches that. Uh, okay, so it shouldn't like that. Yeah, so it doesn't like that. So I'm going to try and see how it didn't like that. So I'm going to try go here and see if that helps. Still doesn't like that. Okay, so I'm going to need a little bit more help with that. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go into any of these folders that I already have. Let's just say HTTP get go. Oh, that's also empty. Let's find an old one, data types, and there's a file there. So, oh, it looks like that. Import double quote f and mmp. So I'm surprised that um, the Go extension didn't help me with that. So that's fine. I'm gonna go back to my code, and now let's see what it does if I doesn't do it. It's not helping me enough with that. So that's kind of sad. So anyway, we need that package to be imported, and it still doesn't like that. Um, Interesting. Let's see if it helps. So it always has to have one function called main. So now I need to do can I do print? You see how it's actually helping me with that. I was hoping it would give me more than that. Print ln. Yeah, there's print ln. So it helps me with that. That's cool. So I should be able to do this. Let's just say double code test. Now, it's funny, now it's okay with it, or maybe is it not? Anyway, so I have a version of my demo code, right? So what I would like to do is run that code. So first of all, let's save that file. And I'm going to run that code. Go, am I in the right directory? Yes, I am. So I should go run. Let's see what first. Go run, and then do tab demo.go. Did like some package command line argument is not a main package. Oh, I think it needs to have at least one main package, maybe. Okay, let's save that and run that. Okay, at least got forward with that. Now it has syntax problems, so I should be able to get help from the extension to fix all those problems. So first of all, it doesn't like this thing here. Syntax error unexpected, expected. Oh, so it doesn't, oh, it expects that. Okay, cool. As you can see, I'm learning as I go here. And doesn't like print line. Okay, what can I do? Maybe the caps. It's funny, it's prompts me for that, but still doesn't do it. Okay. So as you can see, I am learning live here, and that was the whole point. Non-declaration statement outside function body. Oh, I have an extra. Yeah, that should be better because I already closed that function. I can't close the function, then start writing stuff outside it. So let's save that and then run the command again. Okay, now next unexpected literal test, expected type. So it doesn't like double quote. Can I do just test? Oh, okay. So it gave me an suggestion as to what package to import. Let's see if that does anything. Let's save that. It doesn't like. Okay. In line 9, it doesn't like. Oh, it's expecting something. Unexpected new line in parameter list. Missing a comma or that. Okay. So this package, I should not need that. So I will get rid of that. And here, instead of print line, I'm going to try something else. I wonder if I start typing, what happens? Empty scan. Okay. All right. So now it's Google time. I'm going to go into Google and say how to print text from main in Golang. Print function, just print. Okay, print function. Okay, so let's with that. Let's try that. Print, just print. I do. Let's see. A is undefined, so it's going to complain, I'm sure. But at least I want to see if that gets me closer to a bug-free program. Line 8, unexpected new line in parameter list, possibly using comma. Okay. It should not need another parentheses because I already have that. Okay, let's look at Google again. I'm surprised that I can't get more help from maybe I can. Print. Okay, double click. Save the file. Okay. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Let's run that line again. Yeah, I expect unexpected literal expected type. Interesting. Okay, so let's look at this. Example print command in Golang. Let's see how that does. Go print statement examples. Yeah, sure, why not? FMT print. Yeah, there you go. That's what we really want. We're using that. Example print. Import FMT. We did that. Function main. We did that. FMT dot print. And then, oh, FMT. Oh, there you go. Okay, so I have to call it out. So let's do FMT dot print. Now it's better. And let's see what that does. Command S to save the file and run it again. Same problem. Unexpected this. Let's look at the example here again. Print parentheses and then bunch of parameters. Capital P and parentheses. Didn't I have that? Oh, capital P. Okay. And then bunch of parameters. And how are the parameters sent? How is the string sent? Print. Yeah, double quote. Okay. So that should work. Double quote. Just hello. And still doesn't like it, but I'll try. Unexpected list must be missing comma on that. Okay, I'm gonna, oh, because I didn't close it out, dummy. Okay, Command S, let's try that again. Still the same problem. Okay, so I'm going to cheat, or maybe it's a space. I'm going to cheat and look at my old code that I already have here. Function main, oh, I did not have the curly brackets. That's the problem. So if you go to YouTube, I'm surprised that I didn't get help from the extension. Okay, here's the file. Curly brackets. And then curly brackets here. Don't need that. Save that. Still complaining here though. That's weird. Okay. Unexpected. Weird. So if we go func main. Oh, I need first I need the normal parentheses and then that. Okay. Fine. So we will go back here. And we will say that and that. Those are the incoming arguments. That's what that is. Okay. Command S. Okay. That works. So obviously, I didn't do a good job of actually getting the help that I needed from this. So from this extension, because that should have been obvious to me by the error message. So I wonder if I can reintroduce the problem here and get the real help. So it's complaining here. Aha. If I hover over, then it says expected that. Okay, so if I do that, automatically it fills that in. So basically, I'm not good at using the extension as good yet. So that should do. Let's save the file again, run the thing again. So you get the idea. So again, the point of this video is how to install Golang on your Mac, how to install the extension that helps with the coding of Golang, and then getting live help from the extension as you're writing code, which I wasn't very good at, but you get the idea. Hope you found this video useful, and I will see you in the next video.